there, it's Ashley from WTI, and what I have here is the perfect cup of coffee. This is the Nespresso 3-pack of the roasted hazelnut, and I absolutely love this flavor. It is my favorite by far. It has a very rich hazelnut tone coming through it, but it's not overwhelming and it's not too strong. This makes 7.7 ounces of coffee, and I love to put oat milk and a little bit of honey with mine, and it really enhances the flavor. It's easy to use. You simply put it in your Nespresso maker, and within a few seconds you can have a fresh cup of coffee. I've had my Nespresso machine for quite a few years now, and I've used a lot of different flavored Nespresso capsules. This one is so delicious. You will really enjoy it. So if you really like hazelnut, I would definitely recommend trying out this one. This is the Vertuo capsule, but that is just my point of view.